My journey as a refugee has been seriously impacted by climate change. While I was in the settlement, because we solely rely on natural resources, which is trees for firewood as a source of energy, we faced a lot of poverty, children dropping from school because our source of livelihood was disrupted when climate changed. I am deeply worried that we will again be displaced, even from where we are already displaced from the refugee settlement. The work I do mainly is letting people know that our action brings about climate change, and also our action protects our environment and our future. Harmony. That's the only word I could say. We need to live in harmony with climate, our environment, because climate affects everything and affects everybody. Climate affects education, climate affects our livelihood, climate affects our peace. We should build a strong network that connects refugees or displaced people to different humanitarian actors, connect refugees to states, regional and international organizations. They must have a seat on the table when it comes to climate crisis, because many times back refugees only knew war and conflict, and I want to make the potentials of refugees be heard and their capacity to bring solutions to climate crisis. To bring the understanding from their experience and the impact they are actually facing.